Hello there, this is a video of our Christmas layout for December of 2011, and here we have our Christmas tree. This is our downstairs one, and typically what we have on this one is a lot of Hallmark type of ornaments. Just panning down through, and there's some other different types of ornaments from other places, but these are all more or less especially type ornaments. And as you can see, we have a little Christmas village in the middle of our train layout, and from there you can see the train layout. And now as we start to run the trains, there are 3 loops here. And yeah, they can get a little bit loud on the tracks here with all 3 trains running. Zooming in a little bit, there is basically the same 3 trains from before. There is on the outer loop there's an intermodal train. In the center loop there is a CSX coal car, and on the inner one I have changes a little bit. So this is more of a local train now. Running with the Norfolk Southern on the front with the box cars and some intermodal cars and the coal cars and some other combinations. And pretty soon you should be able to see some of the smoke start coming out of the engines. And then also, to make it a little bit noisier, we'll turn the sounds on in the train so you can see a little bit of the train layout. Just panning across the train layout, you can see all 3 trains. And then there's a yard in the middle of the layout with some engine and some extra cars. So I hope you like the train layout for our Christmas, and check back for some other videos. Thank you, and bye.